Stick around to see how I carved a pumpkin with a 2, 3, and 6-year-old, and it was quick, easy, drama-free, and totally fun. Not to mention, I think it turned out pretty cute. So you don't want to miss this. Stay tuned.
What a wonderful world.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Cheryl, the activity author, and I am here to bring you some more craft ideas to do with the kids. Now, before we get into it, you already know I'm gonna ask you to like this video because you're gonna love it. You know you're gonna love it. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be a part of my army, and then click that notification bell so you know every time I drop a new video, okay? And you don't want to miss this. Follow me on Instagram because I got lots of reels, lots of shorts, lots of ideas, Halloween stuff going on there, so you don't want to miss that either. So activity author on Instagram, follow me. Now, before we talk about the carving, if you're not one to want to carve a pumpkin, you don't feel like it's for you, I do have another video coming out right after this one, probably tomorrow, and it's gonna feature how to turn your pumpkin into a character. So stick around for that one. That'll be something for, another option for people in case they don't want to carve pumpkins. So this is what the pumpkin is supposedly gonna look like. So watch that video to see if we succeeded. Okay, so these are our two beautiful pumpkins that we got. We love them. They're not perfect, but we like the perfectly imperfect. So these pumpkins will do. The one on the left is going to be the one we're going to carve because it's a longer type of pumpkin. It's taller, so it has more space for us to fit a face. And then the one on the right is more squished. It's a little shorter, it's a little, it doesn't have a lot of room for a face. I mean, we could carve it if we wanted to, but that's some things to consider when you are at the pumpkin patch or at the grocery store. Look at pumpkins that are longer, in my opinion. That way you can carve a nice face on them. If they're shorter and stubbier and stout and kind of closer to the ground, those are great for painting, in my opinion. So we started out with cleaning the pumpkins. The kids helped me wipe all the dirt and dust and all the debris, all that stuff off of the pumpkin, get it nice and clean. And then I had a set that I found at Dollar Tree. Can you believe that? A carving set. So I'm going to try that out and see if it works. But let me go ahead and use my trusty, dusty, yes, you got it, dull knife, because I picked a knife that was clearly dull, but I made it work just to cut the top off. So if you do this, please make sure y'all got a nice knife. I feel like I had a better knife, but it was probably in the dishwasher, so this one had to do. But it got the job done. So we are going to take our top off. Make sure you cut it deep enough so you can pull it out just like this. Oh, and the kids were so amazed. So one thing you want to do is definitely let them get the first look, because my kids are, and that's my neighbor as well. She came over to help us, but kids just love looking at what's in the pumpkin and the texture. This is a great sensory chance for the kids to feel it and touch it and just smell it, tell you what it smells like. So we had a nice little show and tell with that. So after the kids were able to explore the inside of the pumpkin and kind of tell me everything that they think about it, we started to scoop it. So this is another way that kids can get involved. So give them that scooper and let them scoop it out. I mean, not only are you saving yourself a lot of work, I don't think child labor laws are going to get you. So make them do the work. So I noticed too that a lot of the stuff was hard to get. So if you can help kids out, go ahead and kind of scrape it from the sides, and then when your kids are scooping it, it'll be easier for them to scoop the guts out and make them feel like they're doing something. I made that mistake. She was like, I can't get it. So I was like, okay, let me go ahead and scrape it. And this spoon is awesome from Dollar Tree because it has a little bit, I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of jagged, so it scrapes really, really well. So get you a nice set like that. This one, $1 from Dollar Tree. Okay, so now that you got it all scraped out and clean, save those guts, because you can, y'all know y'all can roast pumpkin seeds, right? And eat them. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, I showed the kids the inside of the pumpkin. They were like, oh my gosh, it's so cool. But of course, I noticed some more that we left. I'm just a perfectionist and I try to get it really, really clean. So get it as clean as you can, but don't be a perfectionist. I mean, if it looks like this, you can work with it because it's gonna dry out eventually. So all right, after you got it as clean as you want it, go ahead and get your Sharpie and you're going to draw your face. Guys, I got distracted by the kids and look how I did the mouth. No! I'm not supposed to have lines, so you can see the lines in the teeth now. Yeah, I know. Okay, don't do that, guys. Just I knew it, but I looked away and I was talking to the kids, and before I knew it, I looked back and I was like, oh my God, I drew the lines on the teeth. Ugh. So don't do that. But when you are drawing it, just make sure you just kind of do the hollow outline. It still worked out, so I'm not mad at it, but I will pay attention to that next time and not let the kids distract me. So this little knife that I have worked awesome. I liked it once I figured out how to use it because I was trying to cut it with the wrong side. It has two types of jagged sides on it, so make sure you use the one that's appropriate for you. In your pumpkin. So I ended up flipping it around and then it started cutting out like a charm. So pay attention to that as you are carving your pumpkin. So that tool helped out a lot. And I actually give Dollar Tree 5 stars for this carving set. So definitely check them out if you would like a quick, easy, durable carving set. So now that we have our pumpkin completely clean, as much as I'm gonna clean it, you can put a candle inside. Now I prefer a LED, like one of those battery operated candles, so you don't have to worry about it catching on fire. But I didn't have any, so we just go use a candle for today. This is also another option I would recommend if you are monitoring this. Like I said, if you put a candle in here and you walk away and something happened, then that's on you. So, so yeah, we're gonna light the candle, then we're gonna put the top back on for aesthetics, you know. And then we're gonna turn the lights off and see what happens. It turned out so cute. Even the little defect that I made on the teeth, you can't even see it at night, so it don't even matter. But still, don't do it. Make sure y'all cut out the teeth and make the teeth the right way. It's cute though. During the day, you can see the line on the teeth, so it really exaggerates it. But I thought this turned out so cute, and it was quick. It only took us about I want to say an hour to hour and a half to do this. Probably less than that. I wasn't timing, but it was really quick, guys. So we finished just in time for the sun to go down, and we was able to put the pumpkin in the front step and let it glow for a little bit. But the kids were so excited, and I was too. So definitely carve a pumpkin, guys. They're like $4 at some grocery stores. So definitely go get you a pumpkin. Go get that carving set from Dollar Tree. Take pictures, put it on Instagram, and tag me, Activity Author, because I want to see it. And definitely don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, okay? Join my team, people, and I will see you in my next video. Go ahead and click on one of these videos right here. Keep the party going, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.